Hi guys, my name is Win and I'm a final year student of mechanical engineering from University of Technology Sydney. And today in this video I'm gonna show you on how to work on the million operations of this SolidWorks model by using the CADCAM part. So at first I'm just gonna start off by pressing new, and I'm gonna go on the million operation. In this case I'm just gonna keep this as the external. You can choose internal if you want to, but let's go with external in this case. Press OK. So it's loaded for the part. OK. And so the first thing you have to do is choose in your machine. And in this case, I'm gonna go with the fan arc as I like the machine. And the second step you're gonna do in this case is gonna be stuck with the stocking. You press stock and you just click on the face and it's gonna like show you on the shape that we're gonna be working on. In this case I'm just gonna quickly change the surface of the Z to 0 because I don't want the 2 mil extra on that part, and just press OK. Alright, and stock is done, and now I'm just gonna work on my coordination system to set the data point. So setting the data point is easy. You just press here and the data point is set. Press OK. Alright, so I've already set up my data point. I've already started off with the operation. Just say OK. Just say OK again. And the second thing you wanna do is selecting the tool. So in this case, to finish the whole operation, I'm gonna add 4 set of tool. So let's click on the part 2 table, press add, and the first tool I want to add is the end mill. I want the diameter to be 8. Alright, after that I want to add the second tool. The second tool is gonna be also be the end mill, and in this case I'm gonna set the diameter to 20. And the third one is gonna be the lollipop mill, just in case if I want to use lollipop for the circular shape. So I'm gonna set the diameter to be 10. Alright, and the fourth tool I want to add is the ball nose. So which one is the ball nose? Yeah, the bull nose. Sorry, I mean the ball nose. Sorry. There you go. And I want this one to be 5. Alright, so just save and exit. And now our tools set as well. Okay, so after the tool, now I'm just gonna start up with my first operation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the material from the rectangular shape. So I'm just gonna add the milling operation. Gonna go to the 3D milling. Alright, so the geometry, I'm just gonna press define. Alright, on working area, just press define, and I'm just gonna click on this outside shape of the circular area. No, not this one, sorry. Define this shape. There you go. Just press OK, and I'm gonna select the outer shape to cut the whole thing like this. As you can see the shape. So just press OK. Alright, so the geometry is done. After that, the tool. So for press OK, and the tool I'm gonna be using for this operation is the second one, since this is just this doesn't need like a detail card, so I'm just gonna go with the bigger one. Press OK. The levels, in this case I'm gonna set the upper level to be 2, and the lower one I'm just gonna press this surface because I don't want the thing to be cut on this part. It's alright. Press OK. And the technology I'm gonna be using is gonna be the contour. Alright, now just save and exit. Just press yes. Alright, let's calculate to see the result. I'll calculate. Alright, you can see the operation of the first part is done. Alright, it's look pretty good to me. Alright, so now I'm just gonna work on the second part. So add one more operation, million operation, and it's gonna be 3D million as well. So first, obviously the first thing I have to do is define the working area as usual. Define working area and just press define. Alright, so in this case I'm gonna cut on this square shape. So first I will select this circular area. Okay, and now I will select each square surface. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, it's done. And since I have selected my geometry, I'm just gonna press OK, and then I'm gonna go with the tool. So the tool I'm gonna be using for this one is the first one, which is the smaller version, since I'm cutting the square. Right, so after that I'm gonna select the level. The upper level in this case is gonna be the top surface of the square, and the lower one is gonna be the side of this one. So this is the inner side. Alright, no, sorry, not this one. The lower one is gonna be the side of this one. Alright, then technology is gonna be contour as usual. Save and exit. Let's see how this works. And I think something is wrong. Let me change. Level again. Lower level. I'll press this one. Okay. Save and exit. Now let's calculate again. Yes. Alright. I think it works fine at this rate. Yep. Should be fine. And the third operation I wanna add in this case is gonna be to cut the inner shape. So just gonna go set up and add million operation. and 3D milling, of course. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is working area, right? Working area, define, click on the face, alright. So that's the thing I want to work on, and press alright. After that, just press OK. And the tool I want to use is gonna be the first tool in this case with the 8 diameter. Alright, tool is done. And the level in this case I want to set up is the upper level to be this surface, and the lower level to be the inner surface. I don't know, this one, inner surface. Alright, press, I don't know, okay, wait, sorry, I have to add the technology, contour, save and exit. Let's calculate to see the result. Alright, so far, yep, it works fine. And I want to add one more operation, so the fourth one. So I've already done the first operation, and I've already worked on the circular shape. The second operation I already work on the square shape, and now I already work on the shape of the inner part. So the fourth one is gonna be this drilling operation for these 6 circle holes. So add milling operation, in this case it's gonna be drilling. Yep. So the drilling, obviously I have to define the part where I want to drill. So the I have to select this outer hole, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, looks good to me. Just press OK. After that is gonna be the tool I will be using. In this case, it's gonna be the second one with the 20 millimeter drill. So good. After that, the level is gonna be, the upper level is gonna be automatic, and the drill depth should be the lower one. Okay. Alright. After that, the technology is, of course, it's gonna be default because it's just drilling. Just save and exit and calculate it to see whether it works or not. Yep, it does work. You can see the circle being drilled. Alright. After that, the fifth step I'm gonna be work on is this oval shape. So for that, I'm gonna add one more operation. So I'm gonna go to the milling operation. I'm gonna go 3D milling. Alright. And obviously I'm gonna work on the selected face. Then, sorry, just define, press this one, it's alright, just press OK. After that, the tool I'm gonna be using is gonna be the last one in this case, which I added as the 5 mil. Alright, just press OK. And the level in this case is gonna be, so upper level I'm just gonna save this as 3, and the lower one I'm just gonna put -25. clearance level, I want it to be 5. Alright, the technology I want is contour. In this case, I want to make a few changes to the overlapping and step down. So overlap to be 0.05, and the step down I want it to be 0.5. And after that, I also want to change some value of wall offset and the floor offset. So I want wall offset to be 0.1 and the floor offset to be 0.1 as well. Let's see how it goes. Just save and exit. Yes. Alright, let's calculate it. Alright, looks pretty fine to me. If you alright, in this case I will just show you the simulation for you to have a better view of the shape. Simulate, and then rest material, and you can see the oval shape working perfectly fine. Alright, it looks pretty fine. Alright, so I've already done every part of the model, so the last part I want to do is the profile cutting from the outer area. So this is gonna be my last operation, and the last one is milling process. In this case, since I'm gonna cut the outer area, I'll be using the profile cutting. So profile cutting, and the geometry obviously I have to define. So since I'm cutting the outer surface, I'm just gonna press this. Alright, yes. After that, just click OK, and now I'm just gonna select the tool I want to use. The tool I want to use in this case is the second tool, which is the 20mm in diameter. So alright to me. And after that, I'm gonna select the level. In this case, the upper level I want it to be 0, and the lower level I just want it to be this one. Alright, and the tag I want it to be right. Save and exit, and let's calculate to see how it goes. Alright, see, you can see the line being cut from outside of the parameter. Looks fine. So this is the whole operation, and I'm just gonna simulate all to show you on how the operation is gonna work. So let's see. Alright, this is a bit fast, so I'm just gonna reduce the speed a bit and replay again, so you can have an idea on how the shape is gonna be cut using different operation. Right, you can see the oval shape is being worked on. So that's the hardest part, I would say, of the whole operation. So yep, this is the step-by-step of how the milling operation is going to be done for this shape. And yeah, that's basically it, and I'll see you in next video. Peace out.